So hi everybody, today we're taking a look at another MP4 player sent to me by AGPTEK. This one is 5-inch screen. And let me tell you, it works great and sounds great. We're going to open up the box, take a look inside, set it up. This way you can see what it looks like. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, please click on that like and subscribe button and ring that bell, as it really does help out the channel, and it lets you know when I go ahead and I put up some more videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. If you like what you're seeing, give it a thumbs up. So today we're taking a look at an MP4 player with a 5-inch screen by AGPTEK. Let's go ahead now and open up the box. So once we take off the cover of the box, you can see there's a protective cover over the items inside the box, which is really good. This way it protects it during shipping, or if you're just storing it away for a while, it will protect your device. Once we take that protective cover off, inside the box, you can see on the left-hand side, we do have our MP4 player. On the right-hand side, we do have a cable, and it looks like we also have a user manual. That cable does look like it is earbuds. Let's take everything out of the box so we can see it all. Once we get everything out of the box, from the left-hand side, we do have a screen protector. We have the user manual. We have a nice little clear cover that goes on the back of the MP4 player. Right in the center is our MP4 player. To the right top, we have a USB-C to USB-A cable. This way you can go ahead and charge the MP4 player. And right below that, we do have earbuds. This is also good, the earbuds, because of the cable. It allows you to listen to FM radio. I just want to show you the inside of the user manual. It is very simple to use. On the bottom of the MP4 player, you do have a speaker. Then you have the USB-C charging port. You have a micro SD card slot, so you can put an SD card in here. And also you have where you can hook up your 3.5 millimeter earbuds or headphones. On the other side, you do have your power button, and you have the reset hole, just in case you need to go ahead and reset your MP4 player. On the other side of the MP4 player, you have a volume up button and a volume down. Let's go ahead now and turn the device on. Once you turn it on, it does come up with a blue screen with the word AGPTEK right in front. Nice little splash screen. As it continues to boot up, it does do a little flashy splash screen, which is pretty cool. Just give it a second for it to load up to the home page. Now it comes up and says, "Hi there." You have English right now that I have. You could go ahead and change it. And then, of course, you have the version settings where you could go in and you could change the magnification, or you could change the text size. Let's go ahead and click on Start. Next, it comes up to where it says Google Services. I'm sorry, but my camera does not want to focus on it because the screen is very bright. But let me tell you, the screen looks really good. So it's asking you to use location, allow scanning, update your apps. You could turn all these off if you like. Once you do that, make sure you go and click on Accept. So once it loads up to the home screen, you do have Pandora, Deezer, you have the Google Play Store, you have Audible, you have audio books, and of course you have your FM radio, video, YouTube, and then you have Kindle, which is always nice to have. You have a sound recorder, and you have Libby, and we have settings, and you have music, and of course Google. Always make sure you go into settings. This is what we're going to do now. Once you go into settings, you can see your storage, sound, display, security, Google auto shutdown, schedule, power on and off, your system, your device information. If you click on device information, you're running Android 13, which is not bad at all. Pretty much up to date. Come on up, shows you your battery life, has your apps, the memory, has Bluetooth, which is always good, and Wi-Fi. Always connect to your Wi-Fi if you like to download some apps. Swiping over to the left, you have a folder for your files. You do have a shortcut for Bluetooth. We have our clock. We have a family link. We have gallery for pictures. Then you have a KM player. You have a calendar, calculator, and you also have read error. So here I am. I'm on YouTube. I'm on a 4K Ultra HD video. And here you can see the quality that the video does play. Now, of course, if you like, you could go and click on Google. This way you want to search the web, you can. Just make sure you go ahead and sign in. Same thing with the Google Play Store. Make sure you sign into your account, and then you could go ahead and download different apps that you would like to place onto your MP4 player. Here you can see I opened up the Pandora app, sign up for free, or if you have an account, go ahead and log in. Listen to all your favorite music with the earbuds on or even without the earbuds. All going to sound great. I'd like to thank AGPTEK for sending me this great MP4 player, 5-inch screen, works perfectly. There will be a link in my description down below. This way you could go ahead and purchase yourself one if you like to get a great MP4 player and you don't have to worry about using all your battery life on your phone. Thank you for watching. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.